Alright, let's make a Joeyy or Shed Theory type beat in 5 minutes. So this is literally just a 3-bar loop. All I've done is I've figured out a chord progression that will suit his style of genre. A good way to do that is just to go on Google and search up like sad hip hop chord progressions, ambient hip hop chord progressions, just any sort of genre you want, and manipulate it to the sound you want to make. So this one is in the scale of C sharp minor, and it's 1-1-5. So what I mean by that is that the chord progression is basically a tool that you can use in the scale you're in. So for example, we're in C sharp minor. If you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the A key. There are 7 keys in a scale, pretty sure. And all you have to do is you figure out the scale you're in, and once you've got the chord progression that you need, just look up what keys are in that scale, or simply just go on your DAW and click on scale, and it'll highlight those keys, and just count up according to the chord progression. The sounds I used for this was just a E-piano, simple stock sound from Ableton. I literally didn't even tweak it. I just think I reduced the attack down a bit, and then I put on some hybrid reverb. These are the presets here that I selected, and then we've just put on some Valhalla Supermassive with this preset here. Next, we just have the dotted eighth note effect preset that Ableton has. It's just a stock plugin that basically repeats or delays parts of the melody, and then we have just a simple EQ. And now this is what the melody sounds like. Next, we got the cloud sub. The reason why I chose this 808 was mainly just because a lot of Joeyy beats, it has much more of a bassy 808. It's not as punchy or clicky. So this is what this sounds like. Literally just following the root notes of the chord progression. So the next sound is called Casino Blips. Again, another Ableton stock sound. I've just basically put some short notes into each little section here, and again, put on some halftime, some EQ and a Fab Filter Pro. It's this reverb EQ, which is pretty cool. It sort of highlights different frequencies and emphasizes it more by adding reverb to it. It's really sick. I don't know how it does it, but it does it. And that sounds like this. The next sound is a clap. This is basically reflecting like a lot of Joey's beats where all the drums are sort of filtered and they sound a bit muffled or clicky and not as in front of the beat. It's more like dreamy type beat type stuff. And to achieve that, all I've done is just add an EQ and literally cut out most of the highs. Alright, next is the hi-hat. Nothing special, no effects on it. Next is the hi-hat. It's nothing special, no effects on it, but it doesn't have a 2-step pattern. This is because most of his percussion is very spaced out. Next we have another hi-hat. However, I reversed it to create sort of a shaking feel to it, like a shaker feel. And also an ozone imager. We got the Mimo for real, or Mimo for real. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but his drum kits are really fire. This is a perk that he created, and I've added some reverb to it. Alright, we got the Trinity Skull Kick. I'm pretty sure this is a part of Synthetic's drum kit. This I just chucked in for fun. I literally just downloaded a DJ drop sample from YouTube, just to emulate that vocal sound or vocal samples sometimes Joeyy has in his beats. They sound like those radio preview sounds, like
this is a hot FFM 100, like we're about to take it back.
Alright, last thing we have is a recording of my keys. I wanted to do this because a lot of Joeyy beats have interesting percussion sounds. So this is what the original recording sounds like. And then I just added a broken transmission effect from Portal. Once I had those effects on there, I just right clicked and pressed freeze track. You will then press flatten track, and in Ableton this will basically export that into a stem. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This is just a simple breakdown of this sound. I'll include the project files in my Patreon, and I'll play the beat right now. Awesome. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you next upload.
We about to take it back.